In this video, we will see an example on sinusoids. Before starting this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question: given the sinusoidal voltage V of t is equal to 50 cos 30t plus 10 degree volts, find A. the amplitude Vm, B. the period t, C. the frequency f, and D. V of t at t is equal to 10 millisecond. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. So here the value of sinusoidal voltage is given. So let's copy this directly. So here this is given, the sinusoidal voltage. If we compare this with standard equation, the standard equation is V of t is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. So this is the standard equation, and since it is the voltage, so its unit will be volts. Now here we can see this Vm represents the amplitude. It is the amplitude. This omega represents angular frequency. Angular frequency. This phi represents phase angle. Currently it is in time domain format. So now we can easily find this amplitude Vm. So here therefore Vm is equal to, we can clearly see it is 50 volts. So amplitude Vm is equal to 50 volts. Then here we have to find the time period. Now we know that time period is equal to 1 upon f, and we know that frequency is equal to 2 pi. We know that omega is equal to, 2 pi f. This omega is the angular frequency and it is equal to 2 pi f radian per second. So from here we can find the formula to calculate this t and this f. So f is equal to omega divided by 2 pi, and the unit of frequency is hertz or cycle per second. Then next, from this t and this 1 upon f relation, so t will be equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega. We got the value of amplitude. We have the value for angular frequency, it is 30. Here we can write omega is equal to 30 radian per second. So therefore t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So 2 pi by omega value is 30. If we solve this in calculator, so it will be 2 pi divided by 30. It is 0.209. 0.209, and since it is a time period, so its unit will be second. So here we can write t is equal to 0.29209 second. Then next we have to find the value of frequency. So frequency is, we have to find, so frequency is equal to, we have the formula omega upon 2 pi. So omega divided by 2 pi. The value of omega is 30. So 30 divided by 2 pi, it is equal to 30 divided by 2 pi. So it is 4.77. 4.77. and the unit of frequency is hertz. So therefore F is equal to 4.77 hertz. Now next we have to find V of t at t is equal to 10 millisecond. So we have to find V of t. So V of t is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. So here the value of t is 10 millisecond. So t is equal to 10 millisecond. So it will be 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. So let's substitute all the values here. So V of t will be equal to Vm. The value of Vm is 50. So let's put 50 here. Then cos, the value of omega is 30. So let's put 30 here. Then into t, the value of time in second is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here we can see this omega t is in radian. So we have to convert it into its equivalent degree form. So what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 180 degree by pi. Then plus the value of phi. The value of phi is 10 degree. So this will be 10 degree here. So let's solve this in calculator directly. 50 cos 30 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 180 degree by pi, then plus 10. So it is 44.47. 44.47, and since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. Remember that here we have to multiply this omega t, it is in radian per second. We have to multiply this by 180 degree by pi to convert it into its degree equivalent. So this is how we can find V of t, frequency, time period and amplitude. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.